Hello YouTubers, this is Crypto Inspector and today we're gonna have an episode about Coinmarketcap. So if you don't have cryptocurrency, just go to my YouTube channel, go to the playlist section and go to get started here and start. Basically, I've got videos here how you can own cryptocurrencies and also from the best tested brokers that I did withdrawals and deposits, and also DEFI. If you don't know what is DEFI, I've got a video there. I'm gonna link it in the description also. You can have a look at it, and basically it's owning crypto without giving any ID and password and your personal information, right? That's where we're heading. Okay, so I just want you to remember that you need to, it would be nice to subscribe, learn, and share. And thank you for that. So, what we're going to talk about is, as I said on my previous videos, that when it comes to investments, you never have to put all your eggs in one basket because if bam, they're going to break all of them, so you don't want that. So, what you need is you need to diversify your investment, alternative investments. So, what you need to do is you get some crypto in one broker, you get some crypto in a DeFi, you put it in a machine, you lock it, you know, like that's the point. You need to secure yourself when it comes to cryptocurrency because you're your own bank when it comes to DeFi. So this tool, CoinMarketCap, there is other similar, but I like this one. Basically, it gives you here all the prices of the cryptocurrencies. So you can see all the cryptocurrencies here, the status in the market, the top ones, what's going on, and also you can also see the exchanges, which one are the best ones to invest, and I might make some more videos about them. And also you can see the NFTs, right? So when you're an investor, you need to see all these things, you need to study them, and then you get your best. Like as a rule of first, like easy advice, I would say like you can invest on the top 10. That would be easy. But I'm not a financial advisor, right? I'm just making my videos, and you know, I can say that if 5% of the whole population now is into cryptocurrencies, like you can imagine what's going to happen in a couple of years. Anyway, so let's go and talk about this tool. So as you see here, there's a mobile app for it. I might do a video on that, and you can see the real-time price data. It's free to use, and also you can track your portfolio. So basically, rather than going to Coinbase and check your assets there, and go to crypto.com and check your assets there, you go to there, right? And you can see everything all together. Now I'll show you how it is. What you need to do is sign up. In the description, I've got a link also. You put your email here, put your password, and you put the referral ID. Right? Once you do that, I've done that, you're gonna receive an email like this, and then you're gonna click to log in, and that's it basically. So I'm just gonna log in now. I need to make the security check here. There you have it. So that's the main portfolio, right? So what you need to do is, let's say you have one Bitcoin in basically, I don't know, in Coinbase. So you go there, you add the assets, you add one Bitcoin, whether it's a buy, a sell, or a transfer, and then you just add the transaction. That's it. Then let's say you have maybe 0.5 or 0.3 Ethereum, right? So you go there to the assets, you go to Ethereum, you add 0.3 or just 3 Ethereum, and you add the transaction. Okay, let's say you have 6 BNB also. You add 6, the quantity, whether it's a buy, sell, or transfer, you add the transaction. And let's say you have in another DeFi wallet some, maybe you have some PancakeSwap. Maybe you have 9 of them. Okay, so as you see here, you have the current balance. So now you have all your assets shown in one place, and you can also see the 24-hour, 7-day period, the 30-day, 90, or all. You can also see all your assets here, and you can see the profit and loss live, what's going on with all of them. So you don't need to go to all the other brokers and see what's going on and how much profit you did. But okay, there's one thing that you will have to do. So every time you buy or sell any cryptocurrency, you will have to go back there and you have to basically update this database, which is fine, right? Because that saves you a lot of time. That saves you then every time you're gonna go to Binance or crypto.com every single time to check your assets, just go there and you do it once and that's it. And also, if you go to statistics, here you can see the best performer one, the worst performer, and also the all-time profit. That's the one that you have to be looking at, like on a daily basis, like what's going on with my crypto. After 1 week, you look at it and you see like, oh gosh, that's going up a lot. So maybe I'm gonna take some out, or maybe I'm gonna transfer some and spend some. So yeah, I just want you to know that on my videos, I don't know if you already know, like, because some people, they're new into crypto, they're like, how can you spend crypto? Come on, crypto, all the brokers are already collaborated with Visa, and you can literally transfer directly to your Visa card and spend. So yeah, that's not a problem. On my videos, if you check them, I explain that. I explain how you can also order your Visa. Here you can see also the allocation. There's a nice graph for it, and basically that's it. Okay, it's a short video, and I also wanted to tell you that they do offer free NFTs. Okay, so they have this diamond scheme there. On a daily basis, you can collect diamonds, right? I'll show you now. And once you collect diamonds, you can use these diamonds to basically redeem them into NFTs. So as you see here, you click on it, day 1, day 2, day 3, up to day 7, and you collect 50 basically diamonds. Okay, and from there you have to do this thing on a daily basis, which is like a couple of seconds. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for that. Here it is. I have 20 diamonds. Then you go to diamond rewards, and you can see that they give you NFTs, right? As you see here, so you can redeem those diamonds. And how do you collect these NFTs? So if you go to my playlist, I did the DEFI wallet. Go and install that DEFI wallet, and then you can basically transfer these NFTs to your DEFI wallet. Now, some of them you can transfer them to your Binance account also. So I'll be making more videos about that. So basically in NFTs, in order to own it, you need a wallet, a Web 3.0 wallet. Okay, like I said, I have a video of MetaMask, and also Binance has a wallet that you can basically get NFTs, and also crypto.com has a wallet. I'm sure everyone will be doing that at some point. Okay, so that was a video today. I hope you enjoyed it. It's quite a short one. So if you get started into cryptocurrency, you need to have your portfolio. So Coinmarketcap is a good tool to use when you're into cryptocurrencies. And if you have any questions, just, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to basically answer them. So let's escape the matrix altogether.